Hello everyone and welcome back to Data Dissections. So in the last video I had told you that how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook. So in this video I'll be continuing from where we left in the last video, and I'll be showing you I'll be showing you about the interface of Jupyter Notebook, and we'll see what are the things and how do we manage it. So let's see. So one more thing before I start, I really want you to subscribe my channel. As you know, I've uploaded a lot of videos, but you guys, I don't know what the problem, but I really want you to subscribe and share as much as possible if you think it is somehow help you, so that it can help me too. So let's start. Okay, so to first of all we will open our Jupyter notebooks. So, and to open it we will simply click on window plus R and then click on CMD, and the terminal will be opened, and in this terminal we will type Jupyter notebook, remember the spelling please, and hit enter, and it will take a few seconds, and the Jupyter notebook will be open on a preferred in a default browser if you have successfully installed it. And now we can see, so you can see just taking a moment. So that's how it look like. I have already made some files that can be shown here, that can be seen here, and so this is the interface. So first of all, how we will create our first file. So how will you do this? We'll click on new, and we will click on notebook, and a new file will be created on the Jupyter notebook. Okay, we will just creating just for measuring or just having a better look and feel of this interface. Okay, so remember here you have to select Python 3 IPy click on select. So this is the proper interface of Jupyter notebook. So as you can see, here's the logo, and here you can choose the file name according to you, and here are a panel which demonstrate file, edit, view, like other softwares. So let's see what are these icons. So this icon, this icon is for saving your project. Whatever you have created, you obviously want to save it, so you can have access on them too. So you will click on it, your Jupyter notebook will be saved, and after this there is a plus icon. So if you wanna insert a cell, I will tell you when I will I'll be later on, I will tell you when we will coding, and I will tell you how do we do that. Here, let's see. So it's, I don't know what is it, cut the cell. Okay, basically it means whatever you have written in that particular cell, if you click on this, that particular elements of this or whatever you have, the material of this will be cut, and you can just paste it somewhere you want. And this option is copy the cell, obviously, like cut and copy, and this is paste obviously, and this is running the cell. If you want to run the cell, you can just click, and we have some we have so many shortcuts and to do these actions. So remember one more thing here, this is the code and Markdown. Suppose you wanna add some heading in which you want to remember something that you have written in code, and you want to remember that what is it. So you can just click on Markdown, the cell will be converted into Markdown, and whatever you will write, it will become Markdown, and it will become a heading. So that is what it's for. And you can click on file, you can just observe it from your own, and then edit. If you want to edit something, you can do this. If you want to view, there are view options in there, several options in the view section, and run kernel settings and help. So if you will click on show keyword shortcuts, and it will show you the shortcuts that are available in that can be used in Jupyter notebook. So you can observe from your own, and obviously, so in the next video, when we will be running code, we will be writing our first code on Python. So you will, gradually learn more, you gradually understand how things happen in Jupyter Notebook. So to understand, to get a better look and feel, we must code, otherwise we won't understand what I'm saying. Okay. So you can just click on here, you can change your file name, and obviously that that's all the primary things that should be known before we dive into the coding. So thank you so much for watching. There's nothing special, but yeah, you must know it. So thank you so much for watching again. And one more thing, just please share it so that I can be feel motivated. So thank you so much for watching, and we will be soon be doing some coding. We will be writing our first code on Python soon. So thank you so much for watching again. Thank you.